Hello, good day everybody. Today we got this Porter double cab 2003 blue color. Let's take a look at it, show you the engine and everything from outside and inside.
Esta es USYMAN.KR, empresa comercializadora de automóviles usados. Vendemos autos a bajo precio y los enviamos al puerto donde lo desee. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Contáctanos por nuestro sitio web o por WhatsApp Messenger. Buen auto y buen precio. USYMAN.KR. El número de teléfono celular es más 8210-7353-2398.
Everything looks fine so far. Let's go check the engine right now. Here we go, it's the engine, DCI. Taking a little bit of oil from here. Alright, let's review it from inside now. Let's start the car. Okay, put the key on. Lights are on. Let's start the engine. Alright, the engine is on. Okay, let's open the window so you can hear the sound of the engine. Let's try to accelerate now. One more time. Can you hear the sound of the engine? Good. Here's the brake as well. Goes perfectly. Clutch. This one moves smoothly as well. Let's try first. No problem at all. Everything is fine. Let's try windows here, windows control. Other side as well. Perfect. You see here, try the radio and the AC. Start with the radio.
친환경 제품을 사는 건 그런 제품이 가치 있다고 투표하는 거라고
Okay,
생각해요.
sounds just fine.
기업들은 보통 를 조금만
Change the channel.
나게 타야 잘 타는 굿 라이더.
So the radio works perfectly. That's fine. Let's try the AC. Okay, cold. AC started to work. Can hear the sound of the wind or not, but yeah, cold air is coming out just fine. AC is working just fine. Perfect. Alright, AC is also working just fine here. Let me show you the car from inside. Here we go. Everything looks perfect. Alright, that's all for the review from inside. Finishing the review of this Porter double cab 2003. you've seen the video. If you like the car, please don't hesitate to reach us out. You can reach us out at busyman.kr. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.
Si está interesado en este automóvil, contáctenos. El sitio web es de USYMANKR. El número de teléfono es +8210-7353-2398. Suscríbete, dale me gusta y configura una alerta en este canal de YouTube. Si subo otro video, te lo haré saber. Gracias.